Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing all of the lifestyle and household items that I went through throughout the summer. And if you're more interested in beauty empties, then I just recently uploaded that, so I will link that up above. So that is all of the beauty products, skincare, hair care, etc. that I went through throughout the summer. This is going to be just all the other stuff. So I also do my candle empties separately. Those come up every now and then just because it depends on how much I'm going through, so you won't see any of that in here. But if you are familiar with my channel, then you kind of know what kind of stuff I stick in here. So anywho, let's get started. I am going to do it by category this time, and I'm going to timestamp it down below just in case you want to skip to a different section if you are not interested in hearing about all of it. So the first things we'll go through are all of like the cleaning household items. So the first thing that is usually in one of the empties is between the Gain or the Persil. Just really depends on whatever I can get with a coupon from either BJ's or Costco. This is, however, my favorite, so this is usually in there, and I am recently loving the lavender scented one because it just makes all of the sheets and everything smell so good. But of course, anything like this Gain, I love it. The next thing I went through is actually from Grove, so it's a Grove product, and it is the gel hand soap in the lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. This is a, whoa, that's really bright. Let me see if I can turn this down a little. Now I'm darker, but you can probably see this a lot better, so we'll just do it that way. Grove Collaborative Gel Hand Soap, and this is the lemon, eucalyptus, and mint refill pack. So you get approximately 3 refills in here, and it says it's moisturizing with aloe vera. I really enjoyed this. I feel like it did last for quite a while, and that I really like the scent of it too. It's just a really nice fresh kitchen scent. I normally don't go for those. I like more of like just the fruity and bakery, all kinds of scents, like more of the Bath and Body Works foaming hand soaps. But I really did like this, and I probably would pick that up again. I went through a big old Dawn dish soap. I don't use this so much for my dishes, but I make my own, I can't think, my mind is drawing a blank. I make my own stain remover. So just using this and then hydrogen peroxide, and it works better than any stain remover I've ever tried. And we always just pick these up from BJ's or Costco. So I went through this and have already repurchased. Then I went through a Method All-Purpose Pink Grapefruit Surface Cleaner. I normally stick with the Mrs. Meyer's ones, but during the pandemic, I think something happened with my Grove order where I didn't feel like putting like a separate order in when I ran out of them, and we went to Target, and this is honestly all they had on the shelf. So I just picked this one up. So apparently a lot of people don't like the pink grapefruit scent, but this is really all they had on the shelf. So we picked it up when we needed it. Then the next thing we went through is Mrs. Meyer's product, and this is the Iowa Pine Scent Room Freshener. I really do like these. We just keep them in the bathroom, and they do a really good job. Of course, the Christmas tree scent is so good if you like those type of scents, and they tend to linger for a little bit in there, so we definitely repurchase those again. And these, I don't know about these. So I think they changed these. They're the Cascade Complete with Dawn dishwashing packs, and I feel like they changed these a little bit, so it's like a different size of the dishwasher pack. So I'm currently using a different brand. I can't remember what it's called, but I really like those. These always do a great job, but I don't like the size of them now, or the way that they were fitting in like the little part to stick in your dishwasher. So I don't know, I might try them again just to see, but it was a little different. I don't know if you noticed that. Let me know if you guys have noticed that as well. Now we're going to move on to supplements. We usually have a bunch of them. So the first one that we went through is no stranger to my empties, is the Smarty Pants probiotic formula for kids. These are a must-have in my house. Dominik if he stops taking these for a couple days, he has issues. So these are a lifesaver for us. There's 4 billion CFU in them, and we always pick them up at Costco or BJ's because you can really get a better value there than picking them up from Target or wherever you normally do. So if you have a membership, I would definitely wait, and they tend to go on sale a lot too. So I would definitely recommend these if you have a little one that has tummy troubles. These are amazing. I cannot recommend those enough. The next things we went through were some vitamin C supplements because, like a lot of other people, we're really trying to add in as much vitamin C as we can. The first one is this VitaFusion Power C. These are the gummies, and there's 150 gummies in here, and these came in a 2-pack at BJ's, and for a little while I wasn't able to find them, so we decided to give these a try. So these are from Walmart. It's Spring Valley, and they're just it says 150 vegetarian gummies. These, I think I actually prefer more than these now. These are a little different. So these are more of like a sugary coated gummy. These are not, and they're sour. So it's like if you like a sour gummy type of candy or something like that, you might actually like this brand because they have sourness to them, or like a tartness. And I think we like these more than these. So we'll continue to pick them up, either one. If I can't find these again, then I'll pick these up. But they were both good, and we would repurchase either one of them. The next thing I have is a Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails gummies with biotin. So again, just get these at the big pack, whether BJ's or Costco has them. And there's 220 gummies in here. They're strawberry flavored. I do think these work. I think they work really well, but every time I'm taking them, my facial hair grows like I'm a werewolf, and I can't stand it. So I just switched over to something else from Walmart, actually, so you should see that in my next Empties, and I think I actually like those more again. So these are good though, and they definitely do help. So if you're looking for something that will help with your hair, skin, and nails, I would recommend these to definitely pick them up. The last supplement I have is again another Smarty Pants vitamin. These are the Women's Complete, and you get 240, and again these go on sale quite a bit at BJ's and Costco. So you get 6 of these little delicious gummies for your serving a day. I've talked about these before, feeling like that's too much, but I just embrace them now and I enjoy them. And again, I'm currently trying a different thing right now, and I love these. So these are definitely going to be a probably forever repurchase for me, unless I get bored and then need to try something else. The next things I have are kind of like your random section. So a little bit of everything. I had to talk about these. These are really bad for you. I would say, if you want to splurge and you like stuff like this, definitely try them. I don't remember how much they were, but they're not expensive. These I found at Walmart, and this is kind of embarrassing, but these are the Frankfurt Mallow-licious banana marshmallows, and they are delicious. If you like artificial banana flavored things like runts and stuff like that, you will love these if you like marshmallows. So I found them. They have different flavors. They're, like I said, they're so bad for you. I'm like a marshmallow fiend, so I love them. And you get 6 of them, and they are so cute because they actually are in the little shape of bananas. The marshmallows are. And like I said, they have different flavors, so you can find them with the regular marshmallows. But like, if just for a treat, you know, something that you know is not good for you, but you like that flavor, you should try these because they're so good. And I'm going to not pick them up for a while. I'll wait a little bit because I think I went through this whole bag in like 3 days. So not good for you whatsoever. The next things I went through kind of like first aid, I guess, medicine. How often do you ever go through these? So that's just a box of the Band-Aid by Johnson & Johnson, and there's 30 of them in here, and I'm a klutz, so I'm constantly scraping myself or cutting myself, and I think Dominik followed in my suit, so we are always needing these in the house. And then for Dominik, he went through this Target Up and Up Children's Daytime Cold and Cough. It's supposed to be comparable to the Dimetapp cold and cold and cough. I think the nighttime one works better than the daytime one, and we probably would not get this again, but he is now taking like regular medicine, so he just hit that age now where we have to give him something a little bit stronger, like almost an adult. So we probably won't be buying any more of these kind of like kids medicines anymore, but I think if you're looking for like a good alternative to purchasing the name brand one, this one is okay, but I would definitely go with the nighttime one for this more than the daytime one. So that's that. This was just in a recent haul, and I had to put this in here because I was so disappointed. The first time I tried to use this, I just picked this up from the Dollar Tree and I was really excited about it. But the first time I tried to use it, it literally broke. So I kind of threw it right in the basket. This little part broke off, and I was trying to think of a way I could reuse it. Like, I was thinking about ripping all of these off and then just kind of using the tray to put something in here, like probably makeup related or skincare related, like little tubes of something, but I don't know. I don't know if I have really time for that right now. I might hold on to it and see. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed in this because, like I said, the first time I tried to open it, it just went dink and it broke off. So that's that. This is another food item. I don't put too many food items in here, but if it's something that I tried that I think was really good or not really good, then I'll try to put it in here. And this is a Twisted Ranch garlic smashed buffalo dressing. So it's more of like a dip than a dressing. I was kind of using it to put into like carrots or some kind of veggies or something like that. But if you like garlicky buffalo, it's not too spicy, kind of flavored dips and things like that, you might really enjoy this. I found it at Walmart. I know they have different flavors of it, but this is very tasty and I really did like this. So I wanted to mention that. And I think the last thing I have before the last category is, I think I finally decided that this is my favorite wine. So originally my uncle gave this to me as a housewarming gift for, or like a, you know, a gift for Thanksgiving, for hosting last Thanksgiving. And he brought it and I've been obsessed with it ever since. So this is the Hazlitt White Cat white wine. It's so sweet. It's very, very sweet. If you don't like really sweet wines, you will not like this whatsoever. But I have been since picking these up, and it takes me a little while to get through them because Frank doesn't drink wine, so I'm the only person that will have it. But this is from, it says the Finger Lakes, and you can find it in the wine section under, I think it's Northeastern, so that section there. They have a red one too that I'm currently drinking, and that one's pretty good, but I definitely prefer the white one over. So if you like sweet wines, definitely give this brand a try. And it has a little kitty cat on there in a bikini. I don't know if you can see that, probably not because it's pretty glaring, but yes, definitely a must if you like that kind of wine. The last things I have, you know what they are. They're the coffee creamers. I said in my last empties that I was going to just put the new ones that I tried in because they can be so repetitive, but a sweet subscriber of mine said, no, don't do that. I like to see all the different ones you go through. So for her, I decided, okay, I will put them all in here. So there's not that many, but you guys know how I love my coffee creamer. So we went through, I went through 2 of the Friendly Farms white chocolate mocha. So these are from Aldi, and I always go towards these. They're pretty good, actually. I like them a lot. The white chocolate mocha is definitely something I would pick up again since I already went through a couple of them, and I do like it and recommend it if you have an Aldi. The next one I went through is another one that I usually pick up, and it's the coconut cream, and this one just has a really nice artificial coconut flavoring to it, but I do really enjoy it, and if you like coconut, you probably really like this one. And the last 2 I went through, I was trying to pick to see which ones I would, or which one I would prefer over the other. So this is the Nestle Coffee Mate in the sugar-free French vanilla because I was trying to cut down a little bit on these creamers. So I like this one out of all of them. This one, no, I don't think I would get again. So then I decided to try the Great Value sugar-free French vanilla creamer, and you get, it says the same amount. They're both 32 ounces. This bottle is deceiving because it looks a lot bigger than this one, but it's both the same amount. But this one, I just didn't like the aftertaste of it. This one I really like, and I think it has a really nice flavor to it. So I would definitely get this one over this one again. And that is it. I'm like an airport controller here. So that is it for this Empties. And let me know what you guys have gone through, or if you've used any of these products and what you think of them, or, you know, whatever you want to let me know down below. And I love talking to you and chatting with everyone. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the Beauty Empties if you have not watched those yet. I actually went through quite a bit of makeup, which I was very excited about. And that's it. So I will see you very soon in the next one.